Hi guys, this is the Python series part 36. Now let's discuss about tell method and seek method in file handling. Okay, first we will see the tell method. What is the usage of tell method? Tell method that is used to print the byte number at which the file pointer currently exists. Okay, I repeat it again. Tell method that is used to print the byte number at which the file pointer currently exists. Okay, we know already. If we open any file in R mode, the file pointer position is at the beginning of the file. Write mode at the beginning of the file. For append mode at the end of the file. Isn't it? If you use this tell method, we can identify where the file pointer currently exist. Okay, let's see this example with open inside the round brackets. The first parameter is the name of the file inside the D drive. My file name is file text to file. Okay, and the mode is R mode, and as is the keyword, and file pointer object name is fp, whatever you want you give. Okay, and the colon indentation. Print method file pointer position. In byte value. Okay, fp is the name of the file pointer object. Dot tell method. Okay, so what is the role of this tell method? This method is used to return the file pointer position, that is the current position. Okay, so if we open any file in R mode, means the file pointer position is what? 0 only, isn't it? Now I execute this one. So this is our file pointer position. Okay, beginning of the file. Okay, if I use the append mode, okay, now I execute the same again. So this is the end of the file. Okay, this is the file pointer position, because if we open any file in append mode, means the file pointer position is at the end of the file, isn't it? So here we got 27. Okay, now I change this append mode into R mode. Okay, and fp dot read. Okay, so read 5 means 5 bytes only will be read, isn't it? So again I print the same statement here. Okay, so what is the output for this statement? If we use the OR mode, this statement returns only the 0 byte value. Okay, after I read the 5 characters, what we will get? Let me execute the same again. So this statement returns 0 at the beginning of the file, because here we have used the OR mode. Okay, and after read the 5 characters, okay, the file pointer position is at the 6th byte. Okay, so now I use the variable c, okay, and print the content. So let me execute the same again. This is the 0th position, and 1, 2, 3 and one single space 4 and 5. Okay, so after the 5 characters, my file pointer is at the 6th byte. Okay, I hope you all understood about the tell method. So what is the usage of tell method? It is used to return the current file pointer position. That's it. Okay, and seek method if we want to modify the file pointer position externally, we can use the seek method. Okay, in real world applications, sometimes we need to change the file pointer location externally. Why? Because we may need to read or write the content at various locations. Am I correct? For this purpose, the Python provides as the seek method. So what is the usage of seek method? Which enables us to modify the file pointer position externally. I repeat it again. What is the usage of seek method? That enables us to modify the file pointer position externally. Why? Because sometimes we need to change the file pointer location externally. That's why we need. Okay. Let's see this example. I have used the with statement to open the file. Open D drive. File name is file. Inside the quotes. This is the text file. And the second parameter is the mode or mode, and as is the keyword and file pointer object FP. Okay, colon, and then within the indentation now I write the print statement. Print inside the quotes the file pointer position is. We know already. Now only we have discussed the tell method, isn't it? Now we want to identify the file pointer position. We can use the tell method. Okay, FP is the file pointer object and tell method. Okay, let me execute. So the position is 0. Okay, now I want to modify the file pointer position from 0 to 6th position. Is it possible? Possible. How? With the help of the seek method. Okay, so fp dot seek, inside the round brackets we have to specify the byte number. Okay, 5. Okay, so now again I use the print statement to print the file pointer position. I just copy and paste here. Let me execute this one. Here I have used the R mode. So the file pointer position is 0 at the beginning of the file. Okay. After I use the seek method, so 5 bytes will be moved. So what is the result for the 4th line? 5. I want to read the character from the 5th byte only. We can use this seek method. So we can modify the file pointer position from one point to another point. Okay, according to our need. So in those situations we can use this type of seek method. Okay. Now I read the content from the 5th byte. Okay, so FP is the file pointer object and read inside the round brackets. So I don't write anything means we will get all the content, isn't it? But after 5 characters only we will get. After the execution of this third statement, the file pointer position will be moved to the 5th character, that is the 5th byte. So from the 5th byte character and till the end of the file we will get. Okay, so now let me execute. See 0, and after reading all the characters from this specified file, the file pointer is at the end. Okay, now I just print the content. Let me execute the same again. After the 5th byte, the remaining all the content is printed here. So at the end we got 27, that is the file pointer position. Tell method returns the file pointer position, current file pointer position. Okay, the file pointer is moved from the 0th byte to the 27th byte. Okay, that's why we got 27 here. I hope you all understood about the tell method and the seek method. So tell method returns the current file pointer position, and seek method is used to modify the file pointer location externally. Why? Because we may need to read or write the content at various locations. That's why we need this type of a seek method. Okay. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.